question is saying the ratio of age of A and B 10 years ago is 3:4 and after 15 years the ratio will be 8:9. Find the ratio of age of A 10 years ago and age of B 10 years hence. Here in age based question, hence simply means after. That is, they are asking the ratio of A's age 10 years ago and ratio of B's age after 10 years. After 10 years means it should always be from present 10 years after. The default reference line or reference timeline should always be present timeline. Now, 10 years ago ratio is given, that is P minus 10. 10 years ago the ratio of A is to B is 3:4 and after 10 years, that is P plus 10, no, after 15 years is given, so it is P plus 15, ratio is given to me as 8:9. So this is the present. Let's consider present year as 2025. 10 years ago it is 2015 and 15 years after it will be 2040. If we observe from 2015 to 2040, everyone's age should increase by 25 years. That is 2015 to 2040, the increase should be 25 years. And if we observe in the ratios, the increase is 5 units here for A and 5 units here for B. So 5 units value in absolute terms, it should be 25 years. So if we have 5 units value as 25 years, then 1 unit value should be equal to 5 years. Now I will apply that here 3:4. So A and B, A is having 3 units of age, so 3 5s are 15 and B is having 4 units of age, which is 20 years. But as we observe here, this 3:4 is the 10 years ago ratio. So this is A's age 10 years ago and this is B's age 10 years ago. But question is asking for A's age 10 years ago and B's age 10 years later. So let me first consider what is the present age of A. If 10 years ago B's age is 20, then now presently he will be plus 10, which is 30 years. And question is asking for after 10 years. After 10 years again I should add plus 10 because this is the 10 years ago age and this is the present age and this 40 will be the age of B after 10 years. So this is age of A 10 years ago and this is age of B 10 years after. Question is asking for the ratio between these two numbers. So answer for this question is 15:40. If I cancel this in 5 answer table, I will be getting 3:8. So final answer for this question is 3:8. If you observe, I am not forming any equation for this question. I am directly using the ratios and getting the answers.